Standing here at the edge of this mine. Amazing. You can see how far down it goes. Hello and welcome to the woods. I'm Florida Trailblazer. It's great to have you along for the journey. We begin our hike into these scenic wilderness areas here in the Withlacoochee State Forest. This section is located in Citrus County, Florida. I'm at the trailhead. And let's get off this busy road. Take a walk into the woods. It's a nice trailhead right here. Plenty of areas to explore here. Some wood here attached to this tree. Part of a tree stand at one time, most likely. There's a clearing here in this area. May have been something here in the past. Searching around this clearing, not seeing any traces from the past. There's a pathway that goes right through here. Now I know at some point in the past, from what I've researched in this area, they were going to build a community or development in this area. And thankfully it never happened. It's been preserved now for years. But you can see some of the old roads that were built and that were going to be used, and some of these areas that were cleared out. Perhaps they're going to be building something here in these areas as well. So very interesting. A lot of hilly sections throughout this area of the forest. A lot of mining history. Let's continue on. See some old metal here. A lot of rocks around this area. Exposed limestone. A lot of these areas were dug up in the past. Lots of mining history in this area of the forest. Phosphate, limestone, just a couple of the mining operations going on in these places back in the 1800s and early 1900s. There's a lot of areas that are built up. Rocks piled up from past digging out here. Alright, here we are. Hiked out to this old quarry. It's an active place here in the woods, abandoned today. Nature's reclaimed this mine. It's incredible, all the rock outcroppings and formations. And there's a large pit up here that was dug out. ancient rocks here. You can often see fossils embedded into them. Evidence from sea life long ago. This whole area was under the ocean. Getting a workout climbing around the mine. Along all these rocks. It's important to be careful and don't slip. Take a look at this. Some metal here, remnants from a structure that was once in this area. Some wood over there as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed the adventure here in these woods. There's so much more to explore, areas that we didn't get to on this adventure. That's what keeps me coming back out here. You want to see what you can discover in these woods and keep exploring. So I'm looking forward to it, and I appreciate you watching this video here. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for videos posted weekly at Florida Trailblazer. I truly am honored and value the support, and hope that you're enjoying all these places that I'm sharing about. There's so much more to see, and this is a glimpse into this area of Withlacoochee State Forest. Never stop exploring and help preserve old Florida. Until next time, I'll see you in the wilderness.